Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $1.90. Now, with that being said, if the price breaks below $1.90, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the $1.75-ish mark. So near term, $1.90, $1.75. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.90 would be awesome. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing fancy here other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up around the $2.10 mark. So 210 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking more levels of resistance. It's all about just going through some healthy consolidations now and chipping away higher bases, because as long as you have those higher bases being formed over longer periods of time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.